echoes of wind tracing threads of light. The stars hold secrets they'll never share. Oh, the stillness calls my name. Every shadow knows my face, whispering low, whispering low. Footsteps fade on a velvet trail. The moon hides truths in her silver veil. Silence blooms where the heart beats slow, and the earth hums soft and deep in the cradle of its endless sleep. Do you hear it too? Do you